Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best portable carpet cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Aletop Portable Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner. This unit stands out with its impressive 15 kPa suction power, thanks to its upgraded 500-watt motor, which makes it ideal for tackling tough stains on carpets, car seats, and other fabric surfaces. The dual-tank system is a game-changer, providing a massive 1.5-liter clean water capacity and a 0.8-liter sewage tank, allowing for longer cleaning sessions without interruptions. Plus, the addition of dual brush heads ensures versatility for different cleaning needs. In terms of design, the Aletop is compact and easy to store, making it a great choice for those with limited space. It features a long 16.4-foot power cord and a 4.26-foot hose for excellent reach, perfect for cleaning stairs or car interiors. However, at 11.2 pounds, it's slightly heavier than some competitors, which could be a factor for those who prioritize portability. While the Aletop offers serious power and versatility, it's worth noting that the price point of $99.99 sits in the mid-range of our list. This makes it a good value for users who want strong suction and dual-tank convenience without tipping into the premium price category. Just be prepared for a bit of extra weight when carrying it around. At number 4, we have the VacMaster SCB 301 400 Series Portable Carpet Cleaner. This is the budget-friendly option on our list, coming in at just $73.08. Despite its lower price, it offers plenty of features to get the job done. Equipped with 15 kPa suction power, it can handle stains on carpets, area rugs, and even furniture with ease. The unit also includes a 3.5-inch cleaning tool, a hose cleaning tool, and an 8-ounce trial-size cleaning solution for added value. Its lightweight design at 8.67 pounds makes it one of the easiest to carry options on our list. With a 6-foot hose and a compact build, it's ideal for smaller homes or quick cleanup jobs. However, its smaller tank capacity of 3.4 pounds means you might find yourself refilling it more often compared to higher-end models. Storage is a breeze, as it easily fits in tight spaces like cabinets or closets. The VacMaster is perfect for those who want a reliable cleaner without breaking the bank. While it may lack some of the premium features of higher-ranked models, it delivers solid performance for its price point. Just don't expect the same durability or advanced tools as you'd find in more expensive options. Coming in at number 3, we have the Hoover Clean Slate Plus Portable Carpet Cleaner. This machine is packed with features, including a dual-tank system that holds 40 ounces of clean solution, keeping clean and dirty water separate for a more hygienic cleaning process. It offers versatile cleaning tools, such as the 7-inch wide path tool for larger areas and the tight spot tool for those hard-to-reach places, making it a great choice for tackling pet messes, mud, or wine spills. At 12.38 pounds, it's one of the heavier models on our list, but its powerful suction ensures efficient stain removal. One standout feature is the hose rinse tool, which makes it incredibly easy to flush out residual dirt and maintain the machine's performance over time. The Clean Slate Plus also comes with a trial-sized Oxy cleaning solution to get you started right out of the box. The Hoover Clean Slate Plus is ideal for families or pet owners who deal with frequent messes and need a versatile, reliable cleaner. While its weight might be a downside for some, its robust cleaning capabilities and thoughtful design make it a strong contender in this category. In second place, we have the Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet Cleaner, a fan favorite with over 96,000 reviews and a 4.4-star rating on Amazon. This portable cleaner is known for its powerful suction and ability to tackle tough stains on carpets, upholstery, and even car interiors. The 48-ounce tank capacity allows for extended cleaning without frequent refills, and the included specialty tools like the 3-inch tough stain tool make cleaning stubborn spots a breeze. At just 9.65 pounds, the Little Green is lightweight and easy to maneuver. Its compact design makes it perfect for small spaces, and the Hydro Rinse self-cleaning tool ensures optimal performance by flushing out dirt and debris after each use. Plus, every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, so you're contributing to a good cause while keeping your home spotless. The Bissell Little Green strikes a great balance between performance and portability, making it an excellent choice for pet owners and car enthusiasts alike. While it lacks some of the advanced features of the premium model, its reliable performance and ease of use earn it a well-deserved spot near the top of our list. Finally, at number 1, we have the Bissell Little Green Max Pet Smart Mix Portable Carpet Cleaner. At $149.99, this is the premium option on our list, and it delivers on its promise of superior cleaning performance. The standout feature here is the Smart Mix technology, which automatically adjusts the cleaning formula to water ratio for optimal stain removal. It also includes a self-cleaning tough stain tool and a pet hair removal tool, making it a dream for pet owners. Weighing just 8.2 pounds, it's the lightest model on our list, yet it packs a punch with its powerful suction and efficient design. The compact size doesn't compromise on performance, and the thoughtful addition of a self-cleaning mechanism keeps the machine in top shape after each use. Whether it's pet accidents, wine spills, or everyday messes, this cleaner handles it all with ease. If you're looking for the best of the best, the Bissell Little Green Max Pet Smart Mix is worth every penny. Its combination of advanced features, lightweight build, and excellent cleaning power makes it the ultimate portable carpet cleaner for those who demand the highest quality. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.